Hey everyone, it's Glenn with Parks, Beaches, and Drives. I'm at Bulls Bridge, Connecticut, checking out the covered bridge and the waterfalls. Let's take a walk through and check it out. Nice little covered bridge, crosses the river. That's looking down the river, the Housatonic River. Then we'll take a walk over here and see the falls coming down. Then we'll take a walk to the observation area and out onto the rocks. There's a set of stairs going down to the water under the bridge. Nice shot looking up at the falls. And there's a shot at the bridge. I'm on the trail heading out to the observation area now. It started raining as soon as I got here, so I sat in the van for a while, had lunch and some coffee, and then the sun came out, so it worked out pretty good today. I walked down the roadways and found another bridge that crosses another section of the river. Take a quick look here. That's looking down the river. And looking up the river. I'm at the trailhead, going to take a walk down to another observation area. This is just all the information on the storyboard, and take a walk down this trail for a while. I went down and filmed another section of the river. This is the trail heading back to the van. And this is the Housatonic River, by the way. Kind of got a view of it through the trees here. And we'll just head back to the van. I just finished my walk around Bulls Bridge, and it's time for me to ease on down the road. I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Parks, Beaches, and Drives. Have a good one.